All right, guys, so welcome back, subs and pause. So today we're replacing his power wire. We're going to replace his ground wire. He's going from 8 gauge to 4 gauge. I think an 80 or 30 amp fuse or a 50 amp fuse to a 100 amp fuse. And we're switching his amplifier from the Power Acoustic RZR1 2300. He did have the 2500, but he blew it. And I'll be having another video. I just bought another 2500, guys. I noticed that you guys love that amp. It's my number 2 watched video, so I just bought the amp again. We're gonna do more videos with that amp for you guys. So I hope you guys get excited about that. I just made that new purchase for you. I actually bought it for you guys, not for myself, because I don't need the amp. But it's my number 2 video, and it seems like you guys watch it. So we're basically doing a full install again on the, yeah, you can unscrew that with your hand. So we're doing a full install again on the amplifier. Basically, he's just gonna run the wires back through where they already are. And the hole should be big enough too for the... Yeah, I drilled a hole through his, there was like a piece of plastic in his firewall. Yep. I drilled a hole through with my drill, so we should be all set to get the wire through. Oh yeah. And we'll stay in touch. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on each kind of step we make. All right, so we'll be back soon. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, guys. All right, so we're gonna start on doing the amplifier. We've just unhooked the power wires, so nothing's live anymore.
Get my Scar audio
stick those to the
wires
side
here that are performance extra good wires.
Seems to be the Scar audio extra performance wires are very similar to the ones Walmart sells in their amp kits or Boss Audio has in their amp kits. They're just a different color. I'd take the ground out.
Okay. Yeah, make sure you guys go check out Subs and Pause.
Okay, that's gone. And that's gone. So why don't we just take this out? You don't have to worry about this right now. We'll get to that later.
Okay.
All right, guys, so we'll be right back. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Okay, guys, so far we got the Tarantula. I didn't mention this earlier in the video, but we're replacing the Power Acoustic Razor 2300 with the Tarantula TXP1.3500. And he should be running just about under 1 ohm, just about around 1 ohm, probably maybe between 1 and 2 ohms with box rise. So he should be able to get some good potential out of this amplifier. I just got the ground wire in here with him. Nice short strand of ground. And we're gonna put it right back in the same spot we had, which worked perfectly. Oh yeah. It was, we grounded down the seat bolt, and that's straight up metal for the whole car. So guys, we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. We got more coming for you. All right, so we just fed the power wire through the firewall. We got the connector going on. The ground wire I just showed you is already connected there. We're gonna get the power wire connected. It's gonna get hooked up to the auxiliary right here on his... You
wanna tell them why that's not a bad idea?
It's not a bad idea at all. If you connect it to the battery, it usually takes more power, which is
not good.
It's not good for your alternator.
Yeah.
Some people go right to their battery. That's up to them. I go with here. This is if you got your car done at a audio shop, they would definitely use this connection right here. They would not go directly to your battery.
Oh, really?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, get it.
So we'll be back, guys. We're gonna connect this up. I'll show you after we get it connected, and we're gonna keep going with the video. Keep going with the install. We'll see you back soon, guys. All right, so we got the power wire on there. It's already ran back. We're gonna start buttoning up the back end. I'll show you guys when we get it buttoned up. We're gonna drill it down into, we're gonna put the little feet on the amp and drill it down into the car itself and secure it. Button up the wires. I'll record as we go along. Keep taking you guys step by step. Let me just show you guys real quick where the wires run up into here through the firewall. I don't know if you can see it, but the wires didn't run up through the firewall there. He's gonna button up the wire underneath to hide it. After we get that done, he's left a little bit of slack to hide it under the seat. We got it going into the back there. There's the amp, and we're gonna start buttoning things up, guys. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're just about ready to get it going. We can't actually like power the whole system yet because we still have the HCY in my house, and it's actually still in my box, which we got to take that out. We got to rewire his speakers again and then install the speakers and get it going. But we got the feet on the amp screwed down, ground is in. We're gonna put the fuse in a second, and we're just gonna try it out for power and to make sure that the sub is getting power, and we're good to go. All right, guys, so we'll be right back, and stay tuned, don't go anywhere. All right, so we just got the car started for the first time with the amp on. Let's go check back here. We got the fuse on, ground wires all set, and I can see lights on the amplifier. And he's just gonna put some tunes on just to check now to make sure we're getting bass. See, we don't have the other speaker wired up right now. Just gotta get the other speaker there.
Ads.
Oh.
Are there lights?
Yeah, the lights are on in the amp. The amp's on. Don't go crazy. Oh yeah, it's moving. Yep, it's already moving. Hey guys, just another joke for everybody. When he bought this, I know I told you guys the little packet was inside.
Yeah, same thing with the other one.
He bought the other sub, the HCY, and when he put it in, same deal, he forgot the packet. So when he installed it this time and he just went in there, he said, hey, guess what I just found inside the box again? Another packet. Oh,
it's only at like 13.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go get the other speaker. We're gonna get it re-plugged in. We're gonna rewire this guy here. We're gonna rewire both the speakers actually before we stick them in. And we're gonna get slamming away, flexing some roofs. All right, guys, we'll be back shortly. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. That was the full car amplifier install, guys. Don't forget, like, share, and if you're not a subscriber, now's a great time because one of my next videos coming up soon is gonna be a giveaway. All right, guys, be good. Take care of yourselves and each other. We'll be right back. All right, so we have everything all ready to go in. The only thing we have to do, like future-wise, is tuning the amp to the subs. It's pretty well tuned as is, but we're gonna fine tune it. We're not gonna do that this second. Subs are both in. Amplifier's all set. Everything's all set. So we're gonna get going so you guys can see these things move, and they should be sitting around 1 ohm-ish because they're actually, I think they're wired to a 1/2 ohm at the speaker terminal. It's a 1/2 ohm, so they should be sitting around 1 to 2 ohms at the amp with box rise or impedance rise, whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna get started here. Oh, here he goes. Oh yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. We can probably turn the amp up.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah. Now this is the HCY. You can feel it like vibrating through your body. It's pretty cool. And this is the HST. And I do have the dB meter in the car. It's all set up. It's on the windshield right now. We're gonna give you guys a demo inside the car. Wanna do that? Yeah. Go in the car. All right. Holy shit.
Shit.
Oh yeah. Where do you have for volume there? Did we have all the seats down last time? Just this one.
So strong.
Yeah, it is. It's constantly sitting above 130, about 135. Oh, it's dropping? I want to check your voltage too. It seems like it's pretty steady.
Can I go up?
How far did you go?
A lot.
How far was it before?
Oh, I think 23.
Put it on 24. So that's the JVC. All right, so I tuned the amplifier a little bit. It might have to tune a little bit more, but I turned the low pass and everything down, so it should be hitting the lows nice. I turned the gain up a teeny bit. I turned the bass up a tad bit. So it should be hitting the lows really nice throughout now.
And that too. It's like a mini equalizer on the screen. I figured it out the other day. Where's it at for volume now? 25.
Okay. Almost 140. Yeah, my ears are like, both my ears are vibrating.
Here, we'll do the
Back to the
whatever you call it. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit real quick.
piece de resistance.
That's what you call it. What is that from, like Lego Movie?
What? That just means that's French.
Lappy.
Yeah, that means the best of the best.
Man, what's going on here? A 15-second ad?
Really?
Yeah. Man, YouTube's getting.
Someone's got to make some money.
And that definitely goes higher when it's lower. I wonder.
Wow. Yeah, that didn't vibrate my ears like that before.
Are you recording still?
Yeah.
We still have a battery to put in. We got an Energy 1200 watt.
He bought an AMG.
It's only like that big. It's actually really convenient that it's that big, but it was.
Yeah,
we got that coming. He actually showed me the 1000 watt one first, but the 1200 was like $5 more, so I got it and it came in. So, and I just forgot to bring it, so we'll do that next time. But
and that should give him a little bit more.
That should probably get higher.
Yeah, then you'll definitely hit
the 140.
Higher, yeah. All right. That was 125, that little punch.
Oh
That was 36.
Bro, my glasses are shaking. I gotta get a plastic bag and do the window thing.
It's staying steady about 130. Come on, baby.
Oh,
75.
that thing is vibrating.
Wow, it does.
That amp is super nice.
Go on there. I just want to walk around the outside of the car. Yeah.
Sounds good. Yeah, that trunk's about to start exploding.
Let's see if I can get this moving. I know it moves. I just saw it moving. Oh yeah. Let's see if the windshield's flexing at all. I can see the car flexing. That's mostly this right here. That's what's flexing on that. And let's hold this for a second. That's a lot of his license plate. He lost 2 volts. Holy crap. That's his YouTube channel up there.
It hit 139.5.
Did it?
Yeah.
Get out.
I got 139.5.
Well, that song gets stronger as it goes along. So
it was 139.5.
Try to back it up for a second. Just that little bit. Yeah, this song gets stronger as it goes along. 39.5. Nice. I think I smell your subs.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, when you start smelling your subs, just back it back down. You're never gonna be playing that by yourself like that.
What do you mean?
That's insane. Yeah. Well, playing bass songs like that either. That's what I mean.
Yeah, no.
You don't sit here and listen to bass songs while you're driving down the road. You listen to music.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. If you're not a subscriber, guys, now's a great time. We'll see you back real soon. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.